But that's sold in an instant.
Hey everybody, this is World Champ Sports Card 6-box football mixer. The boxes are behind me. We've got a box of Clear Vision, box of Fire. We've got a box of 2015 Certified. We have a box of 2014 Certified. We have a box of 2015 Prestige. And we have a box of 2011 Totally Certified. And then at the end, we are going to random off to all participants a BGS 10 Pristine Devontae Freeman X-Fractor and a BGS 10 Pristine J.J. Watt rookie. So let me just read off the teams and we'll get rolling. What do you got? The Cardinals is Lene B. The Falcons is Carlos S. The Ravens is Trent T. The Bills are Brandon B. The Carolina Panthers are Ray M. The Bears are John C. The Bengals are Tristan L. The Cleveland Browns is a house team. The Dallas Cowboys is Matthew A. The Broncos is Dennis D. The Lions is Travis J. The Packers are Adrian C. The Texans are Jason V. The Colts are Carter. The Jacksonville Jaguars is Travis J. The Kansas City Chiefs is JT Pettigrew. The Miami Dolphins is Cody D. The Vikings is Carter. The New England Patriots is Dennis D. The New Orleans Saints is Zach C. The New York Giants is Tristan, Tyler, and Tim. The Jets is a house team. The Raiders is Tristan, Tyler, and Tim again. The Eagles is Andrew A. The Steelers is Andrew A. The 49ers is a house team. The Chargers is Travis J. The Seahawks is Merrick. The Rams is John C. The Buccaneers is Ray M. The Tennessee Titans is Dennis D. And the Washington Redskins is Matthew A. So those are the teams, and let's get started with this. And like I said, after we're done, we will random off the two cards. So let's start off with we're going to start off with the 2011 product. Okay, that's what I'm hoping for. No, we don't need that. Okay, we got the Alex Smith, Darren McFadden for the Cleveland Browns, Colt McCoy, Auto Wicked Patch, and I think that's a house team, so that goes to me. And Carlos is over here kicking himself because he was going to take Cleveland before I started. But anyway, Colt McCoy. Okay, the next one. What do we got? We have for the San Francisco 49ers. I think that's a house team too. Steve Young, patch card, number to 249. So, yeah, it's rigged. So the house is up. All right.
I let you slide.
Yep. And then we get for the Packers. Ooh, this is cool. It's a quad jersey, number to 150, and that is Bart Starr, Forrest Gregg, Henry Jordan, and Paul Horman for the Packers. So that's pretty cool. Yes, it is, right? Right? I like that. What, did you have the Packers?
I did.
Oh, Adrian, you had the Packers? Nice. And then we have for the Colts, Joseph Adai. Got a jersey card there.
And it's got to be the first hit, right?
Yeah.
Right out of the box. Cleveland Browns.
Wow.
Why didn't you give me a better deal?
That was a pretty good deal. And for the
You would have
Dolphins,
made your money right there.
Right there.
wow, nice patch card. Clyde Gates, and that's numbered to 49. And we have a redemption card, Freshman Fabric Signatures Blue, number 226. So we'll have to look that up and see who that goes to.
Didn't expire, did it?
I think Panini's pretty good. Yeah, actually, it did expire, but I think Panini's pretty good about
Which one is it? Number what?
226.
26.
Okay, let's do the box of Fire football.
Bart Starr.
Paul Horners. That's some good ones in
Okay, let's see what we got here. Reggie Bush, Clyde Sims. We got Calvin Johnson, Fire, Wes Welker, Larry Fitzgerald, and a Roethlisberger. Looking for the hits. Palomalu, Dickerson. We have a Jeremy Hill, Jimmy Graham, James White, and Aaron Rodgers.
there. That's 2011 certified.
Yeah, totally certified.
Okay.
Yeah. Julio Jones, Ryan Matthews, DeMarco Murray, AJ Green, Sammy Watkins, rookie. Zach Coel, LaShawn McCoy, Jadeveon Clowney, rookie. Drew Brees, Percy Harvin, Jordan Nelson. We got the Bruce Ellington, Jay Cutler, Carlos Hyde, Troy Aikman, Vincent Jackson, and a Bo Jackson. What is there, 2 and 2 in this box?
Yep.
2 autos, 2
Yep.
relics. Okay, David Fales, rookie. Earl Thomas. Here we go. For the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Robert Herron, auto.
Let me see that redemption.
Is that you, Joe? Who? We got a Robert Griffin. Bishop Sankey, rookie. He's in everything. We got a Derek Carr. Die cut. That's kind of cool.
Michael LaShore.
I heard the name, LaShore. Yeah, I think he is
I
Carolina.
think he's Carolina, right?
Yeah. Look at this. We got Jadeveon Clowney for the Houston Texans jersey card. Rookie jersey. So that's 2 hits.
You want to write on it? Or?
Elway,
Michael LaShore, yeah, he's Panthers.
Bell, Teddy Bridgewater,
Oh,
Or
Keenan Allen, and a J.J. Watt.
here, let's start so you can spell his name.
it's right there.
Is he Carolina?
Yeah.
Who had? That's you guys, right?
You want to put it on camera though so they can see?
No, we're all right. Alan Hearns, Vernon Davis. We got a Mike Evans die cut, Tampa. Johnny Manziel rookie, and Andre Williams. And that Johnny Manziel looks like it's got a little flash to it. Look at that. Then we got a Carlos Hyde rookie, Frank Gore, Barry Sanders, number to 299. We got a Tony Romo, and Paul Richardson, and a Russell Wilson.
Browns rookie.
And Brandon Cooks rookie, Nick Foles, Kadeem Carey rookie. We got a Jimmy Graham, Drew Brees. We got an Eddie Lacy, and Josh Huff for the Eagles. Yeah, that Packers card was pretty cool. Joe Flacco. We got a Jerick McKinnon, Percy Harvin, a Derek Carr rookie. Phillip Rivers, and Austin Sefrin Jenkins rookie. What's under the Barry Sanders? Mike Evans, die cut? Yeah, that's you, right? All right, there's the jersey card. Oh, maybe not. Felt a little fat. Darrelle Revis, Mike Evans rookie, Monte Ball, Russell Wilson Ring of Fire insert, E.J. Manuel, and a Luke Kuechly. Then we got an Anthony Barr, Marshall Faulk, Deion Sanders in a Falcons uniform. Zach Mettenberger, rookie card. We got a Jeremy Hill rookie and a Terrence West rookie. for the Browns.
I don't like those fires.
What?
I don't like that.
No?
You like them?
Okay. We have a. Ooh, this is sick. A Derek Carr 1/1
Wow.
auto. Whoever had the Raiders, there you go, buddy.
I'll buy both of them.
That's pretty sick. 1/1.
It's not a house team, is it?
No. And Cody Latimer. I think that was Travis. I
It's
think
like a
Travis.
piece of, laundry
I don't know what that is. Like part of the laundry tag. It's got the NFL player. Man, that's pretty cool. And it's got the 1/1. Wow. Yeah, I don't like fire either. But whoever has
We don't
Oakland
like
loves
fire.
fire. No, I love it. There you go. That's a
They're
wicked
nice
one.
cards.
That's really nice. Jimmy Graham, Sammy Watkins, Patrick Willis, and a Matt Forte. Wow, that's really nice. One of-
You're on a good start. This
1/1. Yeah, really.
Keep it going.
Johnny Manziel, rookie. Doug Martin.
Way
What's
better than
this?
the hockey weekend.
Blah, 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 blah. Keep it down. Peanut Gallery. Jake Locker and Rod Woodson.
What's the product, the Valor or the Fire?
This is
Fire.
fire. Cody Latimer, rookie. EJ Manuel, Derek Carr, rookie. Jake Locker, Brandon Marshall, and Percy Harvin. And there should be an auto in this, right? If there's 2 and 2. Nasty Derek Carr. Tony Roma, AJ McCarron. Here we got Logan Thomas. Oh, yeah, there was the other auto. Yeah. For the Cardinals. Rod Woodson and Emmitt Smith. All right. Yeah. And let's do the Clear Vision. Ray, is this your favorite product, Clear Vision? No.
Or if there's a big one.
Yeah, there's a couple fatties. We'll leave the fatties for last. All right, what do we got here? We got Robert Griffin III. We have a Tevin Coleman rookie and a Wes Welker. So you either get a rookie, you get a numbered card, or you get something wicked. Yeah, this looks like it's got something in it, something fat. For the Miami Dolphins, Dan Marino out of 99. Pretty nice. Yeah, for the Dolphins. And nothing there. It's pretty nice. It would have been really nice if it had some ink on it, but still pretty nice. Numbered out of 99. Ryan Tannehill, we have a Martavis Bryant, number 299 for the Steelers, and then another Martavis Bryant.
That was weird.
That's a fatty too. We'll wait till do that one last. One of those probably has a clarity in it. We got an Andy Dalton for the Packers. We have the Team Vision, and then a Deion Sanders. Then we have a Kurt Warner. What's this? Redemption? No? Well, a blocker. TJ Yeldon rookie for the Jags, and a Ben Roethlisberger. Why do they put a blocker? And let's see. There's the clarity. We have a Nick Foles. We have a for the Ravens, C.J. Mosley, and Dante Moncrief. So that's the clarity. Okay, let's do the 14. Finish 14, 15, 15. We'll leave those two for last. A lot of fatties. Hey, don't mark up my glass. All right, Joe, you're all right. So we got Percy Harvin, Colin Kaepernick. We got a blank C.J. Fiedorowicz for the Texans, and that's numbered to 149. And then a Jay Cutler and a Steve Johnson.
Ooh, Jack Cutler.
What we got here? Roethlisberger, Eric Decker. We got a Kelvin Benjamin, number 2 for the Panthers, number 249. Pretty nice. Yeah, number to 49. We have a Greg Robinson for the Rams, number to 25 in the same pack. And a Flacco and a Ryan. Drew Brees, we have a Barry Sanders gold. We got a Derek Carr. Look at this, another auto. Raiders are killing it. That one's number 249. So a 101 and a 49 for the Raiders. Then we got a Ha Clinton Dix, number to 25. And Larry Fitzgerald and a. Wow, that's pretty nice. I'm pretty sure that's Travis. He'll be very happy. And we got a Ryan Tannehill, Andrew Luck. We got a Carlos Hyde, number 299. It's actually 299 of 299.
House.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. Drew Brees gold, number to 25. Nice. And then we got a Jordy Nelson and a Peyton Manning. Calvin Johnson, Des Bryant. We have a Phillip Rivers blue 10 out of 100. And then Giovanni Bernard and Luke Kuechly. Man, actually, this is some wicked stuff.
Keep it going.
John Marshall, Michael Crabtree. Storm Johnson, number to 149 for the Jacksonville Jaguars. We have a Josh Gordon and a Brandon Marshall.
We're pulling the right guys.
Yeah, absolutely. Antonio Brown, Matt Schaub, blank. Marcus Robertson, rookie, number to 100 for the Rams. C.J. Spiller and a Steve Smith. Steve Smith Sr. Jimmy Graham, Mike Wallace. John Elway Immortals to 149, Broncos. Julio Jones and Adrian Peterson. Okay, Hakeem Nicks, Reggie Bush. There's a blank. Got a certified potential number to 149 of Talvin Smith for the Jaguars. Toby Gerhardt and Eddie Lacy.
I mean, that's a pretty big kick party.
Right. DeMarco Murray. What do we got here? A Pro Bowl of Brandon Marshall for the Bears. We got a Steve Johnson, number to 100 for the Bills. And that's that for that one. We're gonna, which ones? We'll do the certified. Yeah, you see that? Let's open the skinnies first. Larry Fitzgerald, Des Bryant, Peyton Manning. We have a Dwayne Bowe to 50. Too bad he hasn't caught any passes this year. And Steve Young Legends. I think I saw like a stat on Dwayne Bowe last week. I didn't know he was traded to Cleveland or he signed with Cleveland. He had like 2 catches over like the first 10 weeks. Frank Gore, Trey Mason, Vincent Jackson. We have a J.J. Nelson rookie for the Cardinals, number 2/999. And what's this thing? Matthew Stafford.
Kid reporter.
Is that what those are? Sam Bradford, Antonio Brown, Alex Smith. We have a Giovanni Bernard to 499 for the Bengals. And then a Mike Evans certified. Carlos, any Falcons come out of stuff? Victor
No.
Cruz? No? Macklin, Crabtree. Here's a Peyton Manning red for the Broncos to 199. And Terrence McGee auto for the Ravens to 150. That's a rookie auto. Adrian Peterson, Matt Ryan, Mike Ingram. We got a gold team J.J. Watt for Houston. And Barry Sanders. Man, he looks a little thin there.
No dice.
Andrew Johnson, Andre Johnson, Geno Smith, Matthew Stafford, Brandon Scherf for the Redskins to 499, and a Teddy Bridgewater. All right, here's a fatty. Let's see what we got here. Is it a blank? Denard Robinson, Jonathan Stewart, Andy Dalton. Nope, it's something good. Jared Holloman for the rookie of the 999 for
Steelers.
Pittsburgh, and another.
Whoa.
Whoa.
We have a Sammy Coates auto nasty patch to $7.99 for Pittsburgh. Oh, Joe, I thought that was you. We don't have Pittsburgh. I forgot who has Pittsburgh. All right, Devin Hester, LaShawn McCoy, Tom Brady base. Here we go. Joe Montana, number to 999. Yeah, and for the Rams, we have a Sean Mannion to 249 jersey card. We don't have the Pittsburgh. I forgot that they didn't have Pittsburgh. Yeah, Terrence West, Trent Richardson. We have a Jameis Winston rookie gold team rookie for Tampa. And Russell Wilson. Yeah. Jason Witten, Joe Flacco, Ken Stills, Brandon Cooks
Bears.
rookie to $4.99, and look at this. We have for the Bears, Kevin White to $7.99. Jersey card for the Bears. Nice. That's some cool stuff. Sammy Coates is pretty wicked. Okay, wow, this feels heavy. Why is that?
What was that number?
The Sammy Coates was numbered to $7.99.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's a high number.
Yeah, I think he's right.
Yeah, but still, what's that?
Not a big deal.
It's pretty cool, though.
Very nice looking.
Yeah, nice looking card. All right, I forgot we got a big box topper too. Look at that. That would be kind of cool. I wonder if they autoed the box toppers. All right, let's see who gets the box topper. For the Detroit Lions, nice. Amir Abdullah. Was that you, Ray, with the Lions? All right, bummer. Yeah, I think it's a good one. My buddy, I sent one in for Grady. My buddy had a Winston, and he got a, actually he's watching, Big D. Roddy White, Mettenberger, Frank Gore, Teddy Bridgewater, Pettigrew, Marquise Wilson, and we have a Shane Ray for the Jags.
Missouri.
Yeah. Yeah, it's, oh, wait.
That's
Oh,
Broncos.
my bad. Broncos. He's got a Missouri Tigers for the Broncos. Who's the Broncos? Oh, and Sammy Coates.
You got quite a few hits.
Yeah. Sammy. Ooh, this is a fatty. This is a fatty. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. Colin Kaepernick, Roethlisberger, McCown, AJ Green. We got a Julio Jones extra points for the Falcons. We got a blank. We have a blue chips of Max Williams for the Ravens, and then a Nick O'Leary rookie for the Buffalo Bills. I hate the blanks. It's a waste of paper. They should have like a redemption program. The more you send in, you get stuff. So if like you send in like 10,000 of these for them to reuse, right? John Carlson, Malcolm Floyd. You got a Doug Martin, Justin Forsett, Joe Flacco, Geno Smith, and a Stephon Diggs. It's not numbered, but it's that parallel rookie for Minnesota, and a Matt Jones rookie for the Redskins. And we got a Demarius Thomas, Marquise Lee, Garrett Graham, Sproles, Jason Pierre-Paul. Okay, Devin Smith for the Jets. Devin Smith auto for the Jets. I think that's a house team. That sucks because I don't want this stuff. I think the Jets went unsold. Reggie Bush, Tavon Austin, Carson Palmer, Chris Ivory, Jordan Cameron, Jimmy Graham. We got, what do we got here? Jerry Rice Heroes. Kevin Johnson, rookie card for the Texans. Rivers, Holly, Smith, Eddie Lacy, Martellus, Sammy Coates, and Denzel Perryman, rookie for the Chargers. Where's all the Mariotas and the Winstons?
Time to slow down and
Anderson, Manuel, Walker, Brown, Morris. Oh, we got a clear one. Cam Chancellor for Seattle. It's kind of cool. Justin Hardy for the Falcons rookie. And a Clive Walford rookie. Brandon Cooks, Bird, Cotchery, Jackson, Russell Wilson, Clay Matthews. We got a Devontae Parker rookie. And a Malcolm Brown for the Rams rookie. Okay, Thomas Hopkins, Hyde, Matthews, Donald, Williams. What do we got here? Brett Hundley. Is that an auto? Nope. Brett Hundley for the Packers, and a Benardrick McKinney for the Texans. Jones, Peluzny, Golden Tate, Cutler, Bowe. We got another Shane Ray, All-American. We have a Sammy Coates draft. Garrett Grayson rookie for the Saints. Kenny Britt, Vettel, James Jones, Stills, Cam Chancellor. We got another clear one. Blake Bortles, franchise favorites. It's not numbered. Tyler Lockett rookie. T.Y. Hilton, Asiata, Aaron Donald, Geno Atkins, Andy Dalton, Steve Smith. We have a Lamar Miller. It's another clear one. Shield for the Dolphins. And Dorial Green Beckham rookie for the Titans. There we go. This is another fat one. Joey's got his finger crossed over there. He's like praying. Please, 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 please. Bolden, Peterson, Oliver, Beckham Jr., Des Bryant, Eric Decker, and Melvin Gordon. Oh, jumbo patch. Look at that thing for the Chargers. And that is not numbered. That's pretty cool. 3-color. See a little bit of that yellow. And Dre Anderson. You can see some of the yellow. Yeah. Do you have the Chargers? Lucas Ware, Monty Ball, the Gronker, Aaron Rodgers, Matt Forte. And we have a Deontay Greenberry for the Cowboys. Auto, rookie auto. Are that all the hits in this box already? Are they all gone? Or the major hits? Niall Davis, Spiller, Percy Harvin, Curse, Tom Brady. We have a Troy Aikman for Dallas. And DeAndrew White, rookie for San Fran.
Awesome.
Yep. The house hates that shit. What was that, AJ McCarron? Was that a patch? That first pack, was that a patch?
That first pack?
Yeah, or was that just the jersey? Bishop Sankey, Bortles, Griffin the third. We got a T.Y. Hilton, extra points. And just the blank. And we have another, what is this, blue chip for Brent Hundley. And a Sean Mannion for the Rams. Got a Jonathan Stewart, Hester, Doug Baldwin. We have a Coleman for the Hoosiers, Tevin Coleman, and a Chris Conley, rookie. Blue, Davis, Foles, Cooper, Jennings, Jason Witten. We have a John Carlson for the the Arizona Cardinals, and I couldn't even pronounce his name if I wanted to. For the Giants, he's a Giant. That's all I need to know. Where to send him? Owamagbe? Is that how you pronounce that? Owamagbe? It's almost like Bates saying the hockey name. Smith. Let's see. With Jeffries, Le'Veon Bell, Manziel. We got a Duke Johnson rookie. And Ben Koyak for the Jags rookie. Danny Woodhead, Trent Richardson, Jamal Charles, Brandon Marshall in a Jets uniform, Tannehill, Sherman, Jamison Crowder for the Skins rookie, and Max Williams for the Ravens. Von Miller, Ted Ginn Jr., Devonta Freeman, Edelman, Ezekiel Ansah. Brent Hundley, big board. Malcolm Brown, rookie. Kendall Wright, Andre Johnson, Foster, Jackson. There's Marco Murray. We got a clear one. We have a Deshaun Jackson for the Skins. And Quan Alexander for the Bucks. All right, 2 more packs, and then we'll do the 2 randoms. The BGS Pristine J.J. Watt and the BGS Pristine Freeman. And here we go. We got for the Jets, Leonard Williams. Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Okay, David, Greg Olson, Ryan Kerrigan, Sean McCoy, Lynch. We have a for the Panthers, Devin Funchess, and Taylor Hanke for the Vikings. So there you have it. There's all the hits, guys. We are going to do the 2 randoms right away. All right.
Sammy Cooks needs a soft cover.
All right, everybody, we're going to do these one at a time. We're going to do the Devontae Freeman first. And what I do is I random the names or the teams. I'll random the teams 5 times. And whoever's on top will get this really nice Devontae Freeman BGS Pristine. So here we go. Let's see what we're looking at. Make sure everybody can see this. Okay, we're going to do this 5 times. Let me just...
Go to the top.
There you go, Arizona on top.
Chances are Arizona won't get it.
All right, here we go. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Redskins.
House team.
Devontae.
Nope. Redskins.
House team.
Nope, it's not. So give me 1 second. This goes to Redskins. And then let's do the blah, blah, blah. All right, here we go again. Now we're going to do the J.J. Watt.
Cardinals on top.
Cardinals on top.
Most likely not to win it.
So let's go 5 more times. This is for the J.J. Watt, everybody. 2, 3, 4, and the 5th and final time.
Carolina's 4.
No, we were at 4.
Dallas Cowboys.
Who said 4th place gets it?
Dallas Cowboys.
No, we were at.
Get
we
the
had
J.J. Watt.
he had the 4.
Hey, thanks everybody for participating. Appreciate it, and I'll get these cards out for everybody. So thanks a lot.
Goodbye.
Big D, I'll talk to you later tonight. Everybody else, thanks for, like I said, thanks for participating. Really appreciate it. Been open for going on 6 months now, so we'll get a couple more mixers up and get some emails out. So everybody, thank you for participating.